For the fly stitch, I'm using a full 6 strands of embroidery thread with a size 22 GMC chenille needle. I'm going to begin by coming up at the top of my leaf and making a straight stitch about 1/3 of the way down. I'm going to come back up on the top of my leaf on the left side. I'm going to make a small loop and come back down through the right side, hold this loop on the top of my fabric and come back up at the bottom of the first stitch that I made and pull that through the loop. I'm going to secure the loop by bringing a stitch right over my thread. And I'm going to begin again by coming up at the top left hand corner, holding my thread with one hand, coming back down through the right corner, leaving a loop on the top and coming back up through my last stitch as well as the loop, pulling it through and securing the loop. And I'm just going to continue that through the end of my leaf. End of this stitch, you secure your last loop and tie a knot on the back of your fabric, and there you go. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day.